हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ बाई फ्रांसिस बेकन का एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। ही दैट से लेकर मिस्चीफ्स लाइन 1 to 3। दीज आर द ओपनिंग लाइन्स ऑफ बेकन्स ऐसे इंटाइटल्ड ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ। इन दिस ऐसे बेकन टेल्स अबाउट द डिसएडवांटेजेज ऑफ मैरिड लाइफ। In the opinion of Bacon, a married person is very helpless because on account of the responsibilities of his wife and children, he cannot do any work or of significance. He is like a person who has kept his wife and children as items of guarantee and security with his destiny to assure it that he would not do anything unusual against his fate. The essay wishes to emphasizes that the fact of having wife and children makes a person extremely cautious. His spirit of adventure and enterprise is crushed because he cannot take risk at the cost of the comfort of his wife and children. Hence, Bacon means to say that a married man is not able to do any work of risk. His wife and children are hurdles in his way. सेकेंड, अनमैरिड मैन से लेकर कंडीशन लाइन 22-25। दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम बेकन्स एसे ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ सिंगल मैन। बेकन डिस्कस वेरियस aspects of married and single life. According to him, a married man cannot risk in life. In these lines, Bacon considers unmarried person superior to married person in several ways. The unmarried person are best friends because they do not have anybody to chain their attention and affection except their friends. They are also the best master because they want much personal attention from their servant, whom they treat with sincerity and generosity. Again, because they have none else to look after them except their servant. Thus servants remain happy and contented with such master. Then Bacon tells unmarried person are best servant because they have full time to serve their master. However, they are not good citizens because they care little for the society or the country, and so they are more or less indifferent to their duties. They are not good subordinates because they are too independent and do not have any restraining influence over them. They float the authority and leave their jobs on the least provocation because they have no care or anxiety, for they have no families. Thus it is often seen that unmarried persons are careless about their jobs and duties. ए सिंगल लाइफ से लेकर अ वाइफ लाइन 25-29। दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम बेकन्स एसे ऑफ मैरिज एंड सिंगल लाइफ. Bacon discuss various aspects of married and single life. He tells that unmarried persons are best friends, best master and best servant, but they are not best citizen. In these lines, Bacon tells that an unmarried man will prove to be a better priest because he will utilize all the resources of the church that are at his disposal for the benefit of his parish. He will do so because he has none else, wife and children to take care of. He will not divert the public fund for the welfare of his own family, but in the case of judge and magistrate, their marital status is immaterial, as it is their integrity and honesty which count. Bacon explains that an honest married judge, even if he was 5 wives, is better than a corrupt unmarried judge who is easily influenced by other considerations. Thus, in his opinion, a married judge or magistrate will prove to be better than an unmarried one. नेक्स्ट, सर्टेनली वाइफ से लेकर कॉल्ड अपॉन लाइन 33-38. These lines have been taken from Bacon's essay of Marriage and Single Life. Bacon discussed various aspects of married and single life. Bacon calls unmarried men best friend, best master, and best servant. They also prove to be good churchmen. In these lines, Bacon tells that wife and children are a kind of discipline on the married people. It is observed that a married wife is more disciplined. He is not reckless. On the other hand, he is cool, calculating, and discreet. He is not impulsive and does not take decisions rashly because he has to take care of his wife and children. He cannot afford to take risk. An unmarried person can afford to be more generous and liberal because he has no liability of wife and children. Unmarried persons are fit to be inquisitors or judge of the churches, inquiring into the conduct of heretics. These inquisitors, as a rule, should be ruthless and cruel. Unmarried persons are devoid of soft feeling because their feelings have not been mellowed and humanized by the company of wife and children. Bacon means to say that married persons are more kind and sympathetic. Thanks, best of luck.